Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing accounts and access. Sign up for Leonardo AI and verify email. Get any API key or subscription tier. Once done, pick your compute, local GPU or cloud instance to match model demands. This affects speed and cost. Make sure to collect example images, prompts, and reference datasets because these seed training and fine-tuning. You then choose a model family, diffusion if you need image realism, transformer if multimodal, so your next steps target compatible tooling and resources. You now install Leonardo SDK or CLI and required libraries. Set environment variables for keys and storage paths. Next, prepare your dataset. Clean duplicates, resize to model input size, and label or tag images consistently. Split into training and validation sets to prevent overfitting. Then configure training hyperparameters, batch size, learning rate, epochs, and add augmentations like flips or color jitter to improve robustness. Once configured, run a short validation run to confirm stability before full training. You run the full training job, monitoring loss curves and resource usage. Save checkpoints frequently so you can revert if needed. Once trained, evaluate generated outputs against validation images, adjust hyperparameters, and fine-tune with targeted examples to correct artifacts. When satisfied, export the model and deploy it via an API endpoint or Leonardo's deployment tools. Test prompts and example workflows. If outputs are inconsistent, check dataset bias and learning rate. Reduce LR and add more diverse examples as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.